Hi friends, how are you all? I'm Sophia Anish. Welcome back to Sophia Edu Support. Thank you for your comments and support for the first video. Many people suggested us for making handwriting video in Malayalam. Therefore, soon we will upload handwriting video in Malayalam also. If you are not yet subscribe our channel, please subscribe and click the bell button. Now in this video we are going to continue with the alphabets. I hope you practice the strokes which we discussed in the first video. If you not yet practice the strokes, please take time and practice the strokes and continue the alphabets. Let us begin with letter A. See how to write capital letter A. Start from the second line. Make a small shape of C. Take the line to the first line. Come straight to the third line. Make a small circle inside the A. Take it out. See once again. Start from the second line. Make the shape of C. Come to the first line. From first line, come straight to the third line. Then make a small circle inside the A. Take it out. See, don't press too much your hand. Make your hand freely and start writing. See, handwriting is an art. Let us see how to write the small letter A. See, start from here, the third line, make an oval shape, come down, take it the middle of the line. So again, start from a oval shape and take it middle line. Observe my hand moving. Let us see how to write B. Start from the first line, lightly slant to the third line. The same way take to the first line. Come make a small circle, look like P. Continue with the same line to the down and make a knot. And make sure that this place should not touch. Start from third line. Start from first line to third line. Take to the upside. Make the shape of P and come down. And let us see how to write small letter B. Start from the third line, slightly slant to the first line. Take the line straight to the third line. Make small shape downside. Take a knot. Make sure that this place should not touch. Start from the first line to the third. From the third line, take to the straight line, make a shape and make knot. Let us see how to write C. Start from the first line, make a small shape here, come to the third line with this shape and take inside. Let us see the small letter C. It's very easy. The same way of writing A. Start like A. Take to the hump up and come down to the same line. Make a shape. It's very easy to write C because the same like A. A is touching this part, but C is not touching. Let us go to D. Start from the first line, little slant to the third line. Just make a small distance. Come to back and make it and take to inside. Start from the first line to the right slant. Make a knot in a triangle shape. Make it good shape and close the line. Then take the line inside. Let us see small letter D. Small letter D is very easy for you because it's similar to C and A. See how to write. Same like A. Start from the third line. Make the shape of C. Take the line upside. The half shape of A. Take the stroke upside. Come straight to down and make a curve. Let us look how to write capital letter E. Start from the first line. Make small circle here and take down. Make big circle. Start from the first line and make small shape upside and make the big shape downside. Let us start small letter E. It's very easy for you. Make C first. See, start from third line. Take to the second line. Make a knot and the shape of C. Next, look how to write F. Start from the first line. Come right slant. Okay, small shape here and put a line, the second line. Now let us learn how to write small letter F. I told you in the first video, only one letter touching 4 lines. It's very difficult to write and very carefully you have to write F. Start from the first line, start from the third line, take to the first line, come straight to the fourth line, make a shape and come to the second line, make a knot. Start from the third line, go to the first line, the straight line, come to the fourth line, make small shape, then come to the second line, make a knot, and make sure that don't touch this part. Next, look how to write G. Start from the first line, come up, take back side. Let us look small letter G. It's easy for you, same like A. First write A. Take the stroke fourth line, just take inside. Let us look how to write H. Start from the second line, take down to the right slant, again start from the first line, make small shape inside, take the stroke out. Just go to the small letter H. Start from the third line. Take the stroke upside. From upside, take the straight line to the third line. Make a curve. Take the stroke middle of the middle zone. I think this is enough for this part. We'll continue rest of the alphabets in next part. Keep practicing without fail until meet with next video. Thank you for watching me. Have a nice time and all the best for all of you.